Hello developers. In this video, we'll learn how to manually install the FAST-CLI on Linux, macOS and Android Termux. Also, we need to make sure Java is installed in our system. I recommend you install JDK 8 or JDK 11. For now, I'll use JDK 24. However, FAST-CLI is compatible from JDK 8 to JDK 26+. First, we need to download the latest fast.zip file. Once the zip file is downloaded, open and extract it. You might want to rename it. I suggest you make the first letter capital. Now, delete the fast.bat file. This one is only for Windows users. Copy the fast folder at where you want to install it. I copied to the home directory. Now, we need to edit the .bashrc or .zshrc to access it globally. Show hidden files to find and edit that file. My system has .zshrc. I've edited this file. Open it using text editor. If you're using JDK 8 to JDK 23, so you need to copy the above script. And if you're using JDK 24 or above, so copy the below script. As now I'm using JDK 24. So I'll copy the below script. Now, paste the copied script and configure it. We need to place the path of fast folder as fast home. And now, save the changes. And if you owned a .license file, so place it at fast home directory, so you'll be granted as a premium user. You're done. Let's open terminal and test the installation. Fast is installed. Also, you can see the premium tag with a version name. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and stay updated. See you in the next video.